We're a family-operated business. Our family has been in the Bassett neighborhood in Puente for over 40 years. So we've been in the service industry just as long, with the gas station and convenience stores. And at the end of the day, synergy was really the main focus on trying to build a car wash that kind of blended in with the gas station and the convenience store. Trying to give our existing customers and the neighborhood just more. So kind of having a one-stop shop for them to get their gas, their snacks, and getting their cars washed. With Sonny's, again, being a first-time operator, kind of having everything in-house has really been beneficial. And then one of the things that I've learned just from the very beginning is a lot of people that work for Sonny's, they all seem to be very happy to work for Sonny's. So it seems for them it's very much an easy product to sell. And at the end of the day, again, when you have one person kind of helping you at the beginning before you start construction, and during construction, and then even towards the end with operation, with their chemistry and service, you just know that person's always there with you. With Sonny's chemistry, I think overall the chemistry does matter. At the end of the day, it really tells you the quality of the wash you get. And, for us, we really try to push our customer base to get our top package, our Primo signature, because we know it's the best value for them, and it really does provide the best quality wash, which in our eyes, if they're satisfied with that wash, they're more likely to return. Word of mouth, they'll tell their friends and family, and hopefully just kind of garner that traffic that we're hoping to get. When you compare the three packages, the Top Wash obviously offers a lot more. So the car does come out better, it comes out cleaner, stays cleaner longer. I really think that is the value what we have with our Top Wash. And I think the chemistry is balanced in a way that it really does provide a good end product. Well, the Sonny's controls and technology has been very valuable to us. From the ease of use to the support behind the scenes. As we kind of operate and grow, we're learning to use it more and more. From just the day-to-day operations to also the marketing aspect of it, it's been very helpful. Again, as we are very new to it, and as we develop and grow, we're hoping to maximize what it can offer to us. So the fuel integration has been kind of interesting. Honestly, for ourselves, it gives us a different platform to upsell customers. So whether they're at the pump or inside the store, it just kind of gives us an opportunity to upsell them. Whether they buy a single wash in the moment, or at least at a minimum, they get the knowledge that we're here, or even prompt them to inquire and ask more questions to hopefully eventually come back at a different time. When we were going through the beginning processes of kind of starting the concept of opening up a car wash, it really kind of made it easier for us when we were looking at other competitors, knowing that Sonny's really does offer everything from equipment to chemistry to the control system, again, to web development, social media, and again, everything in between.